and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me in my social media. Today's I want to talk about how do I trade in this very volatile market. We are in a bear market, very clear bear market, but how you can leverage this volatility, right? Like you probably see, we see like $8 to $10 swings, and today we just had like almost from the top, if you look at almost like we hit almost 80 and bottom 73.70. So this is really great if you're a scalper or day trader, right? There's a good volatility, so you can go upside or downside. So right now I'm not long, so most of my positions is really cash. I have been cash actually. If you follow me in Twitter, I actually told like since December, January, right? Like I haven't really been not trading a lot, and mostly, but I'm trading, but I'm not really trading. I mean, longs and shorts, right? I have kind of got in some leaves. I think those are really kind of value leaps, but that's about it. But today's topic is basically how you can take advantage of volatility and make a couple $100. I'm usually like, if it's a good day, I'm making like $500 to $1,000 trading. Really, you don't even need a lot of capitals. If you have like 500 to 1,000, that should be enough. You do need to know fundamentals of options. So if you don't know, there's a lot of videos I created. Just go to and search options, or just ping me if you want to know about any video. I'm gonna make it. So let's get started, right? So what I'm really doing is day trading, right? You can maybe call it not really scalping. I'm holding like 5, 10, 15, but pretty quick. I'm really looking at a minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. That's all. I'm not longing. I'm not holding for multi-day, right? So, and it's all day to day. So what I really do is every day, right? Like we see every day, you're gonna see, right? Like the pre-market, like I'm usually plotting like pre-market high. Today pre-market high, pretty much like this one, right? Like from yesterday, that's what that's a pre-market high. And you see that we basically kind of try there, we bounce back. I usually try to avoid first 5 minutes just to see the directions. Then basically we were going down, but what I usually do is I'm really looking at if you can break above or below, what do we call, if you break above or below, not this one, where is that rectangle, where is my rectangle, that's what I wanted. Is it, I think it's here, yep. Yeah, so what I usually do is basically look at the pre-market high and lows, right? So usually what works, like if you just kind of uptrend, like kind of break that or downtrend. But again, I'm really quick in, quick out, not really holding, because you see a lot of reversals and it's all over. I still think we are probably gonna go more on the downside than upside for a few months. Just the inflation is crazy, right? The numbers you probably seen, this is 70%, but actually it's like 30-40%. I don't know, man. It's crazy, right? But anyway, so see here, this was my high. It rejected. So we are right in the middle, nothing to do. But just I saw like it's clean break, right? That's when I was like, I actually got in somewhere. Then I saw it reverse and added, right? So what I really did was, I think today I did was yeah, today I did was, yeah, 380 calls, right? Just one day, 0 day expirations, not one day, just 0 day expiration. There, I think I got in at about 100, 107, something around there. And right there, right there, after 3-4 minutes, it went up to like 67. I think it went almost like 70, 80 or something. But I got in, I think my one contract was like 50, $52. Around 160, I just sold those 12 contracts, right? That's easy. I think it's a $600 or something. That's pretty easy money. But the thing is, like, it's not gonna happen like today. I kind of locked out, right? Like it went up, but always have a plan, right? So my plan was just stop out right around here, right? So usually I have like 30-40 cents, kind of 30-40 cents down, right? I got in here, this breakout I'm trading, right? So my plan is, so usually what I do is, my target is I'm planning to make at least like $200. That's what I'm planning. So what I do is you risk reward, right? So if I'm down usually 100, 120, again it's really hard sometimes. Even if you say 100, you get 100, 130 down, but I'm out, right? So I'm out, I'm not even trading. A lot of times what happens is, when you are out and your mood is kind of bad and you're gonna revenge trader doesn't go good. So it's done, right? So if you just have that, right, if you're trading, let's say 5 days, so if you made, let's say 200 in if your success rate is, like 50%, right? So usually you will be pretty good, right? So you lose 5 days, you lost 500, but you won 5 days, right? So you made 200, so you made 1,000, you lost 500, so your net profit is $500, right? So that's a profitable strategy. You just, the main, I think a lot of people, what they do is if they are down, they just hold back and they let it go to zero. So you are like, basically you started with 1,000, you are down zero. So now just to make up, you have like, you need 5 straight wins, right? So it's really unsuccessful. The other things I've seen is like, the market is very uncertain, volatile. So I'm not really, sometimes it goes really up and you'd say like, oh, I would have made 10,000%, not 140 something, right? But you never know. So that's all I'm really doing right now. Really trend line. I mean, it depends from some. If it's kind of going up, holding, I make trend line. The other things I kind of look into is overall the heat map, right? So if you look at today, right, if you can see the SPY is like 0.07, you see kind of mixed, right? The green, red, and the kind of neutral. But if you really see, it's kind of mixed. So this is a flat day today, not really. But you can gauge, this is updating in real time, and you can gauge, right? In the morning it was kind of uptrend, like going kind of, you see green. So you get the mic also kind of follow the news, what's happening in the market overall. uh yeah, you gotta be careful if there's like CPI data or some Fed meetings and whatnot. But every day, and this is my routine kind of, that's what you probably, mm, yeah, see, there's some lines. I was kind of looking at this, kind of rejected this one. So every day I'm doing this. Really, sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. But basically all you have to do is, if it works, you gotta make a lot more than if it does not, right? Here, look at this, right? Pre-market high, broke it out just quick in, and you can even gauge it. Usually it doesn't, sometimes it happens but doesn't go straight down, right? It kind of hold it in this area. It's like, no, it's not looking good, right? So get out, right? We are not really, and you could have literally gone. And a lot of time this is really good. What I really like is retest of that breakout, right? So here, not quite, but if you see, it kind of broke out, then it retested that multiple, it rejected, right? That these are like good opportunity when it retest and reject, right? So this would have been really good trade. I don't know if I got in there, but 89 till 80, right? But you don't have to hold it. Like if you are getting good, if your strategy correct and your risk reward is 1:2, 1:3, whatever it is, right? It's more than 1:1 unless your profit profile is like you're losing 50 and making $100, right? So you basically, then you can be a profitable trader. Yeah, just wanted to kind of go over what I'm really doing in this market, and all the uncertainty. But yeah, if you guys have any question or comment, don't forget to comment. And if you want me to make any video, just comment below and I'll make one. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I usually post just morning labels and what I'm doing. But other than that, have a great day and thank you all. See you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.